I see minds and lost souls in the sounds of home. I see minds and lost souls in the sounds of home. I see them trapped in the cocoon that they cannot really get out of. They trying to reach out for the world. They trying to bring change in the world. But a wise man once told me that to bring change, you must start with yourself. Then I saw minds and lost souls in the sounds of home. I saw minds and lost souls in the sounds of home. You see, a few days back I met God when we were sitting together. She opened up her robe, and then I started counting her intestines. I started with the ribs. It was 1, 2, 3, home. 1, 2, 3, home. And then I reached the intestines. As I was counting, as I was going through them, I met the huge intestine, and then I saw Satan with a light on his face and a cross facing upside down. And then I started to doubt this girl I'm in love with. Yes, it is God, but then there were sounds of home. Sounds of home. Because there were minds and lost souls in the sounds of home. Sounds of home. I told myself that I need to write until Jesus comes, and Jesus comes every time we rhyme. I need to write and until Jesus comes, and Jesus comes every time when we rhyme. In the sounds of home. In the sounds of home. You see, a wise man once told me about love at first sight, so I closed my eyes and started reciting this poem. The next thing I opened my eyes, I saw myself in front of the mirror. Then I started to count the scars in the reflection of that mirror, because it was a broken mirror. Then the sounds of home. The sounds of home started playing in my mind. They played like the lullaby in those kids who have nightmares about their fathers not coming back home, gone and swallowed by the struggle for freedom. Freedom? Explain this to me, please. How is separating man from his loved ones, living tormenting moments with them, crying every night, widows praying prayers that they shouldn't pray, and then when they start to cry, all they could sound like is home. Home. I see lost souls and mind in the sounds of home. Fight, and take back your righteous mind, and stop singing the sounds of home. Of home.